The 2 Tires Guide to the Metzeler TD Slick. If you're into track days and you fancy trying a slick tire, the TD Slick is a great option. It's different to a motorsport slick in that it's not available in different compounds and it arguably doesn't offer quite as much grip as a full-on motorsport slick. However, it does have lots of plus points. It's well priced, and due to the way the rear tire is constructed, you can spin it around and use it in both directions, meaning you get more bang for your buck. It's essentially a treadless version of a race deck RRK3. While some motorsport slicks offer outstanding mechanical grip, they can feel a touch numb if you're not used to them. The TD Slick has a softer carcass and loads of confidence-inspiring feel. The TD Slicks are a seriously capable tire. We sell lots of these to club races who are right up the sharp end. Available in fitments for 600s and superbikes, if you want to dive into the world of slicks, these are a fantastic choice. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.